Hi friends, I'm Supriya Kasar and welcome back to All About UX Writing. In the last video, we talked about UX writing for AI, and today we are going to discuss the future of UX writing in AI, the opportunities that it is going to create, and the skill sets that you will need to thrive in this new landscape. If you are a UX writer, a designer, or just curious to know how AI is going to shape the content design in future, this video is for you. Artificial intelligence is getting deeply integrated in our everyday life. Think about AI chatbots, Alexa, Siri, Netflix recommendations. All this is AI, right? But here is the catch. AI by itself cannot be intuitive. It needs language to connect with users. And that's where UX writing comes into picture as a crucial element. To be relevant in the market as a content designer in the near future, you need to upgrade your skill sets. So let's see what are the future skill sets that you will need as a content designer in AI. First is conversation design expertise. Writing for voice-based interfaces and conversation platforms will be very important. UX writers will need to learn structuring conversations to anticipate user queries and responses. You will also need to have skills to create fallback or error scenarios for better and positive AI experience. For example, designing friendly and efficient dialogues for platforms like ChatGPT or Siri. You'll be doing that in future. Next skill is understanding AI and machine learning basics. UX writers will need to have a basic understanding of how AI works because it will help us craft copy that aligns with AI capabilities and limitations. So we will need to learn about data-driven decision making by AI or natural language processing, that is NLP, or how AI interprets language. For example, if we know that a chatbot may not understand phrases, we'll have to write the content which is simpler and direct. Next important skill is personalization and context awareness. AI thrives on personalizing user experiences based on data, and UX copy must reflect this. So UX writers will need to create personalized messages that adapt to user preferences and behaviors. We need to avoid repetitive, redundant, or irrelevant content, even when it is automated. Great examples are personalized fitness tips by MyFitnessPal app or Spotify recommendations. Another important skill that we will need in the future is data-driven UX writing skill. AI heavily relies on user data and behavior insights. So it's important for UX writers to write data-driven content. We should learn analyzing user feedback and insights to optimize our content. We will also have to learn conducting A/B testing of AI-generated content and then writing actionable and data-driven content. A great example is refining AI-generated emails by using tools like Grammarly or Writer. Another skill that you will need to have is multilingual and inclusive writing. AI systems often cater to global audiences, so it's very important that UX writers think beyond primary language. So UX writers will need to write content that is culturally sensitive and bias-free. It's also very important that we write content in simple language for localization and translation purposes. We will have to create content for diverse audiences, including those with accessibility needs. For example, an AI-driven app like Duolingo has friendly and accessible prompts in multiple languages. Next is ethical and transparent writing skill. Ethics in UX writing are very, very important. Why? Because AI is often seen as a black box and users need transparency to trust it. So in the AI world, UX writers will have to learn explaining how AI uses data in a way that users understand it easily. We'll have to craft disclaimers and explanations without overwhelming users. And very important skill is balancing transparency with brevity. Next skill is writing for failures and edge cases. AI is not perfect and can sometimes fail to meet user expectations. So it's very important that UX writers craft empathetic error messages for AI misunderstandings and failures. We will also have to provide alternative solutions or clear next steps in case of AI errors. We will have to learn designing for scenarios where AI cannot fulfill user requests. For example, if a chatbot cannot help with the user request, it can throw a message saying something like, "I'm not sure how to help with that. Let me connect you with a human." So these kind of content pieces will help to handle AI failures gracefully. Another very important skill is curiosity and continuous learning. AI is a rapidly evolving field, and UX writers must stay ahead of the curve. We should stay updated on AI advancements and their implications on UX. We need to learn new tools, frameworks, or methods related to AI. We also should experiment with AI writing tools for efficiency. For example, you can explore AI tools like ChatGPT for brainstorming purposes when you are designing the content. So these are the few skills that you will need to thrive in the AI world as a successful content designer. Now let's see what career opportunities AI is going to bring for you. First is AI UX writer or conversational content designer. In this role, you would write and design natural language interactions for voice assistants or voice interfaces or chatbots like Copilot, Siri, Alexa, or ChatGPT plugins. And for this, you will need skills like UX writing, dialogue design, prompt engineering, and basic NLP knowledge. Another role that may arise in future in the AI world is prompt designer or AI prompt designer. In this role, you will need to craft clear and structured prompts to guide LLMs, that is, large language models, to generate usable and brand-aligned content. And to be a prompt designer, you will need to have a deep understanding of user intent and tone so that you can craft prompts that sound right. Another future opportunity in AI may be AI product content strategist. In this role, you would shape the end-to-end content strategy for AI-powered features or products, including terminology, training data tone, and ethical guidelines. And this role is going to be very, very important because AI systems must reflect user empathy, transparency, and guidance. And UX writers excel in this. Next opportunity that may come in future is generative AI experience designer. In this role, you will do UX writing for UIs that generate text, code, images, or music, explaining how, why, and what users should expect. Next is ethical AI communication specialist. This is another significant role that is going to take over the UX writing field. You are going to play a very important role in writing transparency messages, disclaimers, or consent flows around AI usage, bias, and data privacy. Next role is UX writer for developer tools. In this role, you will simplify complex AI documentation, SDKs, or model usage instructions for developer platforms. And trust me, you are going to play a very important role because AI API like OpenAI or Hugging Face need clear and useful documentation. Next role is multimodal UX writer. In this role, you will work on interfaces that combine voice, touch, visuals, gestures like AR, VR, or spatial computing, where AI powers the interaction. You will write for tools like Apple Vision Pro or MetaQuest. Next role is AI training content designer. Because people use AI tools for content writing, content designers have to train AI for that, right? So you will have to write high quality content for AI models like chatbots or content recommendation engines in the right tone, domain, and context. As you can see, the future of UX writing for AI is full of opportunities. As AI continues to grow, so does our role in shaping how users interact with these systems. We are not just writing for people anymore. We are writing for intelligent systems that learn and adapt from the content that we create. If you are a UX writer, this is the right time to embrace this shift. Learn about AI, understand how it interacts with users, and start designing experiences that are both human and machine friendly. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, do like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in comment section. Until next time, bye-bye. Keep writing, keep innovating.